Find your way. The new Mini navigation of the new Mini generation offers more personalized and intelligent destination input and route guidance features. Here we go. Make sure to be logged in with your Mini ID. In the navigation app, select Destination Input to search for an address, a point of interest, or a contact. Upon entering the first letters, the Mini navigation suggests likely destinations. Or tap My Destinations to choose your latest stops or saved personal destinations. Need a break? The direct buttons lead you, for example, to charging stations, parking lots, or a Mini dealer around your current location. Select settings to activate functions like traffic visualization and 3D buildings. Available with Mini Connected Package. Or spoken instructions and auto zoom. You can switch the map view, for example to in direction of travel. Scroll down for further settings like route avoidance, 3D junction view, or the all-new optionally available augmented view. And if you would like to set up your charging stops for longer journeys, Mini Charging Optimized Routes is there for you. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your Mini.